Good afternoon children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are eating a very healthy food at your home. This is the worksheet of 2, already we have completed worksheet 1. On the page number 20. What is the name of the lesson children? Yuki and the tsunami. This is the lesson here. Okay, now we are going to complete the worksheet 2 and 3. Okay, let us start. Fill in the blanks with great, large, high or tall. Atul's father is 6 feet tall. Please write down children. Our previous house has a large garden. Okay. Ramanujan was a great mathematician. Please write down children. First tall will come, then large, then great, and then here high. The firefighters jumped over a very high wall. It's not a large wall or great wall. It is a high wall. Okay, next. That river has a large number of fish. However, it also has a high level of water pollution. So, it has what children? High level of water pollution. The shirt was not large enough to fit Rajan. Yes. So, this here you have to use what? Large. So, in this one we can be confused at any time, like where the great will be using, where the Raj will be using. Yes. High or tall. Tall you know na, the opposite of tall is short. High, low, large, some, few, okay, or little, okay, great, not so great, right? Here, fill in the blanks with the opposite of the words in brackets, okay. Harish is a very tall, so that he can reach the top shelf, short. So, what is the opposite of short children? That is tall. Farida decided to buy new pens today, that is sell. What is the opposite of sell? Buy, B-U-Y, buy. Sold, bought, that is past tense, okay. So, short, tall, sell, buy. Rehan's teachers are proud of him because he is always on time. What is the opposite of never? That is always. The road to the village is long and difficult. What is the opposite of difficult? Is easy. Easy, difficult. Next. The bird is sitting on that high branch. That is low, high. Yes, we have already discussed. Isha hit the ball below the bed. What is the opposite of above? That is below. So, let us see again. Short, tall, sell, buy. Never, always, easy, difficult, low, high, above, below. Could you please fill in the blanks with words that sounds the same as the words in brackets? Okay. Could you please see who is that at the door? This is C. So, what you have to write? S-E-E-C. Okay. So, actually they are sounding the same children, S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C, okay, but we have to write the correct word, that is S-E-E. Take a right turn and you will reach the auditorium. Right, W-R-I-T-E and R-I-G-H-T, same words, okay. Mr. Shivaram's son has offered to drive us to the station. S-U-N is also a son, S-O-N is also a son. The wind blew through the leaves, blew. This is also blue, this is the color, but this is the past tense of blow, blew, that one. Okay children, so I hope you have done this. Just take a screenshot or take a pause of video and you can write the words in your worksheets and submit it to us. Okay children, now we are going to see the worksheet 3, that is grammar. Write these words in correct columns. Okay, this they have given in the box. Okay, what are the words children? Apple, Statue of Liberty, table, umbrella, honest person, Taj Mahal, atlas, book, Ganga, lamp, person, sun. These are the words they have given. Okay. Now, a and the, where we have to use these articles. Okay, a book, a person, a lamp, a table. So, I have already done with this, you can write this children. An apple, you know the where we have to use before the vowels, yes. An apple, an umbrella, an honest person, an atlas. The Statue of Liberty, Statue of Liberty, the sun, the Ganga, the Taj Mahal. Okay, this you can write it down on your worksheets. Okay, children. Now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Okay, where we have to use a, where we have to use an, where we have to use the. Okay, children. Since the fridge stopped working, we call an electrician. So here the vowel sound is there. That is the reason what we have kept an. Okay, a and an you have to write, children. I was in the principal's office. So here what we have to use, the office is that is not a, it's not starts with the vowel. So what we have to write, the principal office. Please write down, children, here the. Next, we are busy the whole afternoon. The. Terry had a headache this morning, but he is fine now. A. What you have to, had a headache. Okay. I saw Sonia speaking to an old lady in the park. So what you have to write here, before this is vowel, that is the reason what we have to use here, an, a and an. Please write down, children. First one an, a and an. The next one the. Next one is also third one the, a, and write down last one as a and an. Okay. See this next one, children. See, cross out, cross the unnecessary articles. The unnecessary articles in these sentences. What they have given, children, here, they have given the sentences, and in that they have given the unnecessary articles. We have to strike it off. Okay, let us see, children. First one, they visited the Ooty last year. What they have visited? Ooty last year. Because here O is there, so here and can all be there, it will not be there because it is used as place. So they visited Ooty last year. That's it. That is the reason we have crossed here this one. Second one, Money likes oranges. Why an oranges? No need of, because if an one orange will be there, then we can use as an. Okay, one orange we are using, then we can use as an. Money likes oranges. That's it. Since the infant is very small, she cannot yet speak. See, here we have to use the infant. So, a, why need? No need, na? Since the infant is very small, is a very small, no need of that. So, please cross out a. Okay. Fourth one, what do you want to eat for the lunch? What do you want to eat for lunch? That's it. Yes or no, children? So, in the first one, please cross out for the. In the second one, please cross out an. In the third one, please cross out a, and the last one, please cross out the. Now we are going to do this. D. Insert a, an or the wherever needed, or rewrite these sentences. So in this worksheet, what you need to do, children, that is you have to do what you have to write, a, an or the wherever it is needed. Okay. Last week I bought a kilo of tomatoes for ₹30. So I have not written here the sentence, but you have to write here hopeful sentence. Okay, children, just I have written here, you can write a, extra a, and then you have to write here the sentence. I should not see that you have to write just here and you cannot leave it. Okay, children. Next one, I like the yellow shirt more than blue one. Okay, so here you have to write the. You won't believe it, I saw an elephant walking in the middle of the street. Payal has shifted to a new house. To a, here you have to write. Here please write down, children. Payal has shifted to a new house. Sun sets in the west. Here obviously sets in the west. When we are using the direction, you have to write the. I hope you have understand and you can write it well. Okay, children. Now this, so we have completed page number 21, the worksheet 3. Now we are going to complete the worksheet 4. Okay, children, let us see this. Worksheet 4, listening, speaking, writing. Listening. Your teacher will read out the paragraph below. However, this paragraph has some words missing. Listen to your teacher and fill in the missing words in the correct places. Tara was always searching for new things. Please write down, children. Searching, searching, searching. If on one day she wanted a new bag, the next day she needed another pair of shoes. One morning she asked Mommy for a silver triple-decker lunch box. Have you seen that, children? Triple-decker lunch box. It has one. Okay, that she wants that. Okay, and that is of silver one. Mummy sat her down and explained. Now what the mummy has done? Okay, we are keep buying new things for you. You must value other things as well. Okay, so here you have to write lunch, here you have to write pair, here you have to write first one searching, here are you have to write. Okay, you must value other things as well. You are so intelligent, you have such pretty hair, you have very little brother, you have a very little brother. These things are more important, and if you want something you must try to make it. Didn't you learn that in school? I'll help you. So her mother was saying that you have a little brother also, you must value what we are buying new things for you. You can't ask everything regularly. So she was saying like this. Okay. Speaking. Work in groups of 4. Take turns describing your neighborhood. You could talk about the shops, streets and buildings in your neighborhood. You could also mention special trees or gardens around your house. So please call to your friends, and then you talk about the trees, talk about the houses. Okay, so that you can vocabulary and communication skills should be enhanced. Okay, children. Writing section. See, children, write 10 sentences about any person in your family. You can describe the person, mention his or her or his hobbies and interests, and write all the things that you like about the person. Okay, so I have written. You can you can write by yourself also, children. You can write this also. A hearty welcome to everyone. My father is really special person. He is working as a lecturer in college. He is hard working and down to earth person. His name is that one, whatever your father's name you can write. My father is my hero. He faces all the difficulties of life without letting it come on us. He loves to watch cricket and his hobby is to take care of plants, that is gardening. I hope that I can do anything for him by giving my best in my life. Okay, so this I have written by myself, and that you can also write by taking your siblings help, or you can taking the help of your parents. Okay, so that you can in your life who is the person who is best, either your mother, either your father, either any of the teacher, any of them, those who can change his life, that you can feel it. Okay, and you can write about them. What you felt about them, that you can write, children. Okay, children. And one more thing in this I want to say it. You can write the correct spelling. You can take the pic or pause the video, and you can write, children, and submit in the school premises, and complete it as we have completed this lesson. The Yuki and Sanami we have completed. Then we will start the new chapter also. Okay, children, and please write in a neat handwriting. Don't be in rush. You have a lot of time. Okay, children, and you can write this. Okay, just I am reading once again this, children, so that you can write it again. A hearty welcome to everyone. My father is a really special person. He is working as a lecturer in the college. Whatever he is doing, you can write, children. Okay, he is hard working and down to earth person. You can write his qualities, right? Whether he is hard working, whether he is a sports lover, whether he is an adventurous, that also you can write. His name is, okay, his name, whatever his name you can write. Okay, my father is my hero. You can write about your father any other things also. Okay, children, he faces all the difficulties of life without letting it come on us. He loves to watch cricket. what his hobbies and what are his hobbies, that also you can write. Whether he likes to read books, whether he likes to play cricket, whether he likes to do a gardening, anything you can. Okay. And his hobby to take care of plants, that is called as gardening. Okay. I hope I can do anything for him by giving my best in my life. Like whatever you can do, children, like for your parents what you can do, that you can write. Okay children, and please complete this worksheet and submit in the school premises. I hope, please write the correct spellings also children. Okay, and we have completed this chapter. Okay children, take care children, bye.